This 15-minute Saaru is one of my favorite comfort food recipes. To start prepping our tamarind, we're just going to flatten it and then soak it in water until we need to use it. Next, we're going to put 3 cups of water in a pot and wait for it to boil. While we're waiting for that, we can dice our 2 tomatoes. Once the water boils, we're going to add in our 1/3 cup of moong dal, lower the temperature, and let it cook until it softens. So it's been about 10 minutes and our dal is nice and soft. This means it's time to add in our diced tomatoes and an additional cup of water. While the tomatoes are cooking, in another pot, we're going to add in our 1 tablespoon of ghee and start tempering our spices. Once the ghee melts, you know the drill, it's time to add in our 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait for it to sputter. It started to sputter, so we're now going to add in our 1 pinch of hing, and then our optional curry leaves and our optional dried red chili pieces. Once we've added those in, we're going to set aside our tempered spices for now and return to our main dish. Now it's time to put everything together. We're going to add in our softened teaspoon of tamarind, our half teaspoon of turmeric, our tablespoon of Saaru powder, our teaspoon of palm sugar, and our half teaspoon of salt. Next, we're going to add in an additional cup of water, let the mixture go to a boil, and then we're going to add in our tempered spices and mix everything together. After adding in an optional handful of chopped cilantro, this delicious 15-minute Saaru should be ready for you to eat or drink. Enjoy!